So my name's Angel Garcia. I'm born and raised here in the city of Reading. I have a background in sales and customer service. I decided that during COVID, it was the perfect time for me to get into real estate. So I've been doing that I've been licensed for about 7 months. And now I'm diving into the world of real estate investing. What was I up to? Wow, a lot. Trying to figure things out with real estate and, being my own boss, trying to gain that discipline and, trying to figure things out within real estate. And then I saw the opportunity to join this group, that's helped me kind of build that real estate business. I joined real estate because I had a lot of influence around me at the time. Had a lot of family members in real estate, and I seen that it was a great avenue for me to build wealth. The main reason I joined this program was to have that structure in building my real estate business. And honestly, the community, the networking, making the right connections, and having people who were like-minded around me. This program has helped connect a lot of the dots for me. Where before, a lot of the information, you could probably, obviously you can go to YouTube University and gain a lot of knowledge there. But having a group like this, behind you, supporting you, and helping you connect the dots, has been a great help. I've done a lot with this program already. I've made connections with a lot of private money lenders. I've ran a few deals already. They fell through, but it's part of the learning process. And I would definitely recommend this program to anybody.